Heidi ho. Well, this is a custom order I got through last night. It's a Finnish 5 mark coin. And it's for a young lady called Päivi, for her husband called Mikko. And this is his birth year. So evidently he hasn't asked for this, but she said that he'd been looking at my videos and liked them. So she thought she'd get him a ring made. So here we go. Right, Päivi. I hope he likes it, sweetheart. You live just round the corner from where I used to live. Nature Polku. There we go, Miss Big Bertha. I'm used to small punch, so you should still get the date on it. Thanks for the support, baby. I appreciate it. Okie dokie. I've got a few of these 5 marker coins if anyone else is interested. You might just want to clean up that inside edge. It's a bit rough. Right, what we got? That's nice and clean, and the date's there. So this is going to go sunny side up on the ring. So I'm going to put it in. There's my little ball bearing gone. Oh, I dropped it. So I go over to Big Red. You want to warm it up a bit, show it a bit of love with Bernie, the fire starter. This just softens up the metal so I can work it a bit easier. Quite a thick coin, these ones. Right, let's dry it off. And then we want to find one of these. This is a 17 degree folding die. It's a bit too... I'll probably start it in this one. Yeah, I'll start it in this one and we can go over to that one again. Right, let's go back over to Big Red again. We need our folding comb. Yep, that's good. Beautiful. So now we want Sandy. Break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge, make sure there's no cracks forming or stuff like that. There you go. Looking nice. So we'll go over to Spike. This is a ring stretcher. And this stretches out the ring. Right, I'll probably have to warm this up again soon. give it a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. Yeah, I think it needs a bit more love with Bernie. Yeah, it's a very thick coin, this one. I got these 5 Markkaa coins off some old boy in Turkey. Need about 50 of them. Better than sitting in your drawer. Right. Try it off again. Go back over to Spike. God, it soon hardens up, these coins. What size we got? 9.5. Gotta go a bit more, so I'll warm it up a bit more. Show it a bit more love. Another beautiful day today. The sun's out. All the birds are tweeting away. Life begins again, eh? I love the summers in Finland. You can't beat them. I lived in Cornwall for many years, and beautiful place, but the weather was, well, summers. What summers? Right, show a bit more love again. If you'd like to support my channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can hit the like button if you like, or you can also hit the thumbs down button if you like. Right, we've got a little bit of a lip inside of this. That little lip in there, you want to get that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear and gives you a full sizing. Yep, that's good. Right, what size we got? And you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the thickest part of the coin. Right, at the moment that's a size 11. That's good. Right, we want to reduce it now. These are reducing dies in here. A bit of coconut oil. Bit of the old lube. Look at that, beautifully straight. You wanted 9.5 size. This is just over. So a little bit of a tweak more. A little bit more of a squeeze. You should be there. Right, what have we got now? Slightly bit bigger, just a slight touch. That should be about 9 1/4, I think. What are we? Yep, there you go. 9 1/4. So let's break out Dave the Dremel. We have a new Kate Bush in here. This just gets the fire scale off. It's called 0 still wool at the end of this, really. More volume. And you said you wanted it polished. This is like the satin look. Here you got the date. Bit of the icebreaker. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose any of the detail. Right, let's take out Kate. And we'll put in Felton John. This is just a felt pad on the end of this. Bit of polish. These rings clean up really well. If you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. It's in the description below. You can hit that, it'll take you straight there. All the rings I can adjust slightly up or down for you, make them slightly bigger, slightly smaller. There's not just rings in there, there's earrings, bracelets, cufflinks, pendants. And if you want to come and see them in the market in a couple of weeks, I should be there in a couple of weeks' time. I'm usually down the end where the Stormalina Ferry is, opposite there, so you can come and see me. Ouch. What I'll do, Pavey, is I'll get this in the post for you tomorrow. And like I say, if it is slightly, if you want it slightly bigger, slightly smaller, it is the size you asked for. But sometimes people want it slightly, a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. Right, let's get another cloth, a slightly cleaner cloth. Oh yeah, it's come up pretty. There you go, Pavey. I hope your husband Miko loves it. I enjoyed making it. And I'll have this in the post for you tomorrow morning. And it fits this finger absolutely perfectly. Have a great day, Pavey, and good week, and catch you all tomorrow. So bye-bye.